Okay, let's go back to the variables and we'll change that back to 16. Save it. Go back to our site footer partial here, and let's use this px2em down here for the two other places where we were using that equation. So I'll copy this, we'll paste it in here, and change the value to 10 that we're passing in as a parameter, and we'll do the same thing right here. We'll save it, go back to the browser and refresh, and our spacing looks good. So before we go through our other partials and explore whether there are other places where we can switch absolute CSS units over to relative units, let's find a better place to put this so that it's accessible to all of our CSS. So a common convention is to create a new partial called functions. So let's do that. I'm going to go back to our SASS folder. Again, that's in the project folder and then the SASS subfolder, and we'll create a new file. We'll start with an underscore and we'll call it functions.scss. Let's open this up in the editor and we'll cut the function here, clean up some white space, and we'll paste it in the functions.scss. So now what we need to do is include it inside of our main styles.scss. So variables should go first because we want to be able to use variables inside of our functions. So we'll add our import right here. And we'll save it. Let's jump back to the browser just to make sure everything's working. All right, we're good.